God shower you more blessings to come sa imong life and fix your eyes only sa ato alang diyong Ginoo. And happy birthday once again. We love you so much, Mama.
Babalo, as what Dora said, we all love you from the very beginning and naging true friend ka na mo. So, not just a friend but a brother po. So, it's true, Jude. Amazing. Isn't it? Ay, bitaw. Babalo ka na dagan Jude kayo gusto mabit sa imo. So, you better watch and learn.
Ito, manay, isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, ito, walo, siyam, sampu. Isang bilang, na,
Isa!
dalawa,
Tatlo! Apat! Lima! Panghuling bilang po!
kailangan siya sa sarili.
I'm Kaden Private! Bayad tayo sa Balaysar!
Ang Cadet Private Albert James Sir.
I'm Kaden Private Cortez, SSO, sir! I'm Kaden Private Undermountain Region Marine, sir! I'm Kaden Private Sumama Medjo A, sir!
Taas! Pahinga! I'm Cadet Captain Remedios Almeral, sir! Tutong! Manda! Tatlong hakbang pasalong! Kad! Pag-ulat!
H!
A!
P!
P!
1! Happy birthday! Kuya Jeffrey, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, kuya!
Happy birthday, Kuya Jeff!
Happy birthday!
God bless, Kuya Jeff! Message.
Hello Des, happy birthday ka na. God bless ka na. More birthdays to come. Lama.
Happy birthday, Jeff. Isa rin na si Jeffrey. Pwede pa na ilang. Happy birthday, Jeff. Buwang na ka. Mga pasakaling dyan. Ay, buwan sa kuha. Ulog kayo. Bata pa ko. Happy birthday. Relax akong lahat. I love you, Jeff.
Hi Jeff, happy birthday. Continue to set your eyes on Jesus as your spiritual ate. I'm so proud of you and I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Jeffrey, happy birthday. Always ko thankful kay Lord kay gitagaan ko niya amigo na Jeffrey. Tapos bisa na palaaway kay ka, bisa blesses kayo mga sumo, pero nakakaasar ba ya? Hingang yapon na, dawato dyan mo na ako. Langgaong dyan mo di ka. And then, I pray that God will continue to bless you and your family. And, walay di ay ha, padayon na dito sa itong pagpangalagad kay Lord. And, nakagusto yun sa mga na, dili ta dapat ma-conscious or dili ta dapat mabalaka how the people kung silang pagtanaw sa tua as long as kabalo magyud ta sa atong sarili kung kinsa ta and as long as wala tay napasakitan o wala tay gibuhat na maliin labaw sa tanan na si Lord lang yun nakabalo sa tuwang heart. So thank you for everything. Thank you for putting smile on my lips and then hindi man jud forever na magstay ang tao sa isang tao, but one thing na ma-assure na ko sa imo 100% is that you will always be forever in my heart. I love you and you will always be my dotes. DOTS, happy birthday!
Coming back for more. With my head under fire, sooner or later I get what I'm asking for.
No matter what you say about life, I learn every time I breathe. The truth is a stranger, soul is in danger. I gotta let my spirit be free to admit that I'm wrong and then change my mind. Sorry, but I have to move on and leave you behind. Can't waste time, so give it a moment. I realize nothing's broken. Don't need to worry about everything I've done. Live every second like it was my last one. Don't look back, got a new direction. I love you once, needed protection. You're still a part of everything I do. You're on my heart just like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. I'll always have you. I'm sick of playing all of these games. It's not about taking sides. When the look in the mirror didn't deliver, it hurt enough to think that I could stop. Admit that I'm wrong and then change my mind. Sorry, but I gotta be strong and leave you behind. I can't waste time, so give it a moment. I realize nothing's broken. No need to worry about everything I've done. Live every second like it was my last one. Don't look back, got a new direction. I love you once, I needed protection. You're still a part of everything I do. You're on my heart just like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. I'll always have you.